Hey, I'll pick myself up a little gadget, a little pressure washer, and I tested it out on the van, and I got the van nice and clean. But here's, oh, I gotta climb up here. This is how dirty the roof is, and I scrubbed it with a brush and everything. But here's what a pressure washer does. Look at that. Look at the difference. Before, after. Still got more to do over here, but that'll give you an idea. Now here's a little before shot. This is on the passenger side, and we'll see how it goes.